movie film let you the king. I make me prove me skills, me load me clip, got to the brim, the movie thing, me too living, me sing. Nah, nothing for lose, I win for win. Big cylinder speed for kill, nothing.
No, brother, you have to be skilly.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Move.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit, another smash, another video. And people, you can see from the title, you already know what time it is and what we're doing over here. You feel me? You know me already. Normally, I'm gonna record at night like that. You see me? Normally, there's a record at the day, I'm gonna record at night like that for different reasons. But today, I know, I'm my business. I roll up my spliff. You see me? I just a whole of meds in the people. And me I play like a tune. You don't know when I do things and I play some tune. You see me? I roll my spliff dog and a blood clot song start play upon. Blood clot YouTube music. A song body song body song body song body song body song body song body. So people have to say, yo, how this? You see me? How the brother? Because the brother sound like somebody already know already some things that the artist. You see me? So I say, yo, maybe the artist and the name sitting different. So I go and look up the artist to blood clan and I say it's a different artist because it's a new and upcoming artist out of yard out of Jamaica. You see me? And dog, you know who that rock with East Side Records, you know what I'm saying? So I say, who the brother man? I've checked it out, but I tell you say, yo, this song bad, this song bad, this song bad. And guess what too? After I do some research, what happened? This song have a blood cloud video. You see me? I have to listen to it for that song now. About like the first 30 seconds me and I say, yo, what the blood clot is on there, you see me? So yeah man, we have to go react it and see what go on, man. You see me? We definitely have to go check it out. You see me? I say, you don't know, if you don't know what I talk about now, you see me? The artist name is called Rytikal. And the song is called King in a War. You see me? I say? And people want to listen to the song now and see who the artist sound like. So like somebody we're familiar with it, bro. So I check it out and see what go on. Yeah, I'm good for you to see what go on. You see me? I say? You see me? So if you're new to the channel, please go and like, some comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload. We lit over here, we're lit family and support group. You feel me? And we got prizes and surprises coming up. You feel me? And for my return viewers coming, I don't know some love on them, man. Like cook food. You have to say nothing. You see what I'm saying? So without further ado, we have to go check out the tracker. I'll jump right now the tracker. This song is this artist is called Rytikal and the song is called King in a War. We're going to check it out and see what happens right now, people. I don't know. Let's get it. Isa. Oh, let me take it off of the Bluetooth. Let me take it off of the Bluetooth, people, man. Cause, yo, the song bad, you know? The song bad. Look, piece of me here, the bad, man. I need to see the video. I need to see, yo. Let's get it.
King in a while. Pull up. If I think you're quick, then prove a swift. Do what it clip that tool like Chris, but I no load of this. Glock 22, me grip for shot boy like a movie film. Let's show the king.
Yeah, hold on. You heard the man about buckle chop and the song just start, dog. Who am I don't have people? We know say remind not somebody. Who am I don't have? The man, the beat sing just start, the man have a chop, no blood clot. Go easy, brother. Go easy, brother. Go easy. People ears can't keep up. And then we in capacity. You see me? Around. You see me? But easy, my brother. I'm like this man style of fuck that, brother. Yo, come in.
East side, king in a while. Pull up. If I think you're quick, then prove a swift. Do what it clip that tool like Chris, but I no load of this. Glock 22, me grip for shot boy like a movie film. Let's show.
Bro, me love lyrics, brother. Me love lyrics. You see me? And me love style. You see me? But, yeah, man. Me like an artist we can spit and change up the flow and put in style night and swag it out and make it think, yeah man, I like an artist who can do that, man. You see me, yeah, artist can do that, man. Yeah man, you take it from the talk and you not hear a man say to a pussy climb and like, yo man say, yo, think you could if we was black, easy.
East side, king in a while. Pull up. If I think you're quick, then prove a swift. Do what it clip that tool like Chris, but I no load of this. Glock 22, me grip for
man say prove your swift. The tool the man say give me the clip. The tool Chris, but I no load of this. Yo, come in, my brother.
That boy like a movie film, let you the king. I make me prove me skills, me load me clip, got to the brim, the movie thing, me too living, me sing. Nah, nothing for lose, I win for win. Big cylinder speed for kill, nothing.
No, brother, you have to be skilly. Yeah, I play from the top, from the top, brother. Cause I tell you, listen to the man, man, I go hard, you know, brother. Man, I go hard, man, go on.
East side, king in a while. Pull up. If I think you're quick, then prove us with black. Do this clip that too like Chris, but I no load of this. Glock 22, me grip for shot boy like a movie film, let you the king. I make me prove me skills, me load me clip, got to the brim, the movie thing, me too living, me sing. Nah, nothing for lose.
He man say, let in the king, make me prove me skills. Clip full to the brim. Bumbo clock, brother. You're hard, you know. You're hard, brother. Me rate this. Yo, damn, I want to pull the ball. In, brother, come on, give me proper. I want to break down everything at the same time, brother. Yo! Come in, man. Bumbo clock, I have to understand.
That too like Chris, but I no load of this. Glock 22, me grip for shot boy like a movie film, let you the king. I make me prove me skills, me load me clip, got to the brim, the movie thing, me too living, me sing. Nah, nothing for lose, I win for win. Big cylinder speed for kill, nothing can win, that feel the pain. When me knock it, boy, feel him. No syringe, no insulin, can make some pussy still living.
Nothing for lose, I win for win. Yo, club is our boy, I see win, no lit. Aye!
Shot sinking in him skin, intestine exiting. When me send him fi go sleep, no make fi dream. Dead reveal, 6 pants a press fi steam. Frat like a Pepsi drink. Kyle say boy if he dead, me make it date. Don't hesitate, pull up on your gate. Left fi skate, left fi wait, press the key, make it.
Oh my God, Kyle say boy if he dead, no hesitate, pull up. Oh my God, brother, a 35 second win on the Bumbo Clot song, my G. 35 blood clot second and I can't even get past the fucking intro. That's how the song, man. I want the Bumbo Clot, brother. Yo, people, let me know what I'm going in the comment section, please. Let me know what you think about the song. Let me know what you feel about the song. Yo, just give me thoughts and opinion on the Bumbo Clot song and go show the artist some support. Because the man bad. The man well bad. The man fully bad. The man COVID bad. Bumbo Clot. Yo, run the track, man.
Play resonate, what you mean? The echo I go shake up a place. Plate suffocate, that's secured up in me, must be slave. The way me beat the old 38. Your plate a figure that can nail up your face, cut your days. Me congratulate you, you're brave, but
oh my God, the man say I must be slave the way me beat the old 38. Hey! The brother is normal in the dark. You know, normal. The brother have an alien Bumbo Clot brain, brother. Alien brain. You see me, I say,
thing in a war, band we not all in a middle day me perform. Touch we drum, talk clip off it in a me hand. But he not decay, make it sing like a hurry.
What? Hey, I know, you know one man band, talk clip off it, but hey!
Yeah, na grande addition. Thing in a war, thing in a war. King in a war, king in a war, king in a war. Me persecute, me trigger finger tender, and it now walk in a bar. Me make it rev like
Bumbo Clot. Me persecute, me trigger finger tender, and it now walk in a bar. The brother, yeah, Bumbo Clot. People tell me know, but yeah, tell me what they think about the song. You see me, and let me know if you know the artist already, and where the artist come from. I want to see more from the artist. Yo. Me bring that. Yo, East Side. I don't know if you have discovered the man them in the East Side record or you have build the man them in the brother, but you know find some sick blood clot.
that chuck it no style, yeah. Fuck up the place, I just suck it like one. Let's do the king.
East Side, do your thing, brother. East Side, do your thing. And see if I'm over here, them man come. Hey, Kingston, them man come from. I'm over here. Yo, some new talent have found out a yard. The music have go up on a different level. You see me? Yo, I just want to be a part of this new wave of the dance hall, man. Man, you bring in a new wave of the dance hall. Yo, the brother is not normal. Run the track.
Me sharper than a shuriken, my brains double chip like the Wilson, me not the rustling. Roughy and origin, as your this bullet got to your skin, and me say cruelty, not only good for school like toolkit. No fear the law with jurisdiction, cause me slow weakness. And the flow me sick, me empty, I clip taller than the broom, me stick, no foolinish. Nozzle off red like when the moon eclipse the room for gym, show fitness, and me trigger finger through description. Don't put this to weed, me crosser than the crucifixion. Kick her with that timber, and it's no cool.
Yo, the brother, The brother, yeah, brother. I don't know what I'm going to do with him and Skilly Bang, you know, brother. We don't know what I'm going to do with the two of them, you know, brother. Them man ain't not come now. That life I'm a spliff, brother. My brain capacity, brother. Brother. I rate you, dog. Yeah, man, I like the man style. So like Skilly, you know. I'm a rate Skilly style too, though. But Buckler, I'm one of the brother boss. Yeah, man, the man Skilly Bang to go to the star. To the star. To the star, brother. I want to go to the past the sky, past. Hey man, no bad, no blood clot.
Go for big fan, no response to Christian, 6 pants and no true religion. The land that got the spray sweeter than a million. Boy, if he dead, me make it date. No hesitate, pull up on your gate. Left his skate, left his weird, press the key. Make it play, resonate. What you mean? The echo, I go shake up the place.
Boy, if he dead, make it date. Pull up on your gate, left his skate. Hey!
State suffocate, that's secured up in me. Must be slave, the way me beat the old 38. Your plate a figure grave that a nail up your face. Cut your days, me congratulate you, your brave. But thing in a war, born with a all in a me get them.
Oh, me just a find the brother your dog. You know star. Let me know in the comment section if you know the brother true music. If you like his music and if you want to see me on music. Guy forced me to discover the brother and him hard. Bumbo clad. Man bad like COVID to pussy clad. He man Skilly Bang, brother. He man Skilly Bang, brother. Right now. They man hard. I don't know if he said the man track me hard, dog. Go show man some love. Bumbo clad, Rytikal, Eastside Records. Yo!
Me perform, touch with drum, talk clip of it in a me hand. When he na decay, make it sing like a Hariana Grande addition. Ting in a one, 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 ting in a one. Celestia the crown, they hear that? On the stars can relate.
I saw the song I done already. Yeah man, I saw the song I done, Bumbo clad.
Just standing deeper down. Shut that
Bumbo clad. Easy me Bumbo clad, G. Bumbo clad, brother. Yeah man. Yeah man. Bumbo clad, gun salute to the G. Bumbo clad. Yo. Rytikal. Yeah, do your thing, my G. Just a discover, I don't know, I just a sleep from you. I'm going to take enough of your tune. The whole of your tune, I'm going to take in. You see, you're going to do some reaction. You see me? Yeah, man. Eastside Records, you find the artists, them. You bring out some new artists. You see me? Bumbo clad, even drop my light. You see me? I say, but. Yeah, people. Eastside Records finds some artists. You see me? Bring out some new artists. We rate the talent them from what I had right now. You see me? The music, the creativity, we rate all that. You see me? Support them. They are for the movement. You see me? Dancehall music can change up. You see me? New styles and new flows and patterns and beats and things are coming and yo, love it. Love it. Remember me back in the day when I youth and cartel them era just are coming. You see me? We don't know how dancehall music changed drastically. You see me? Back in the day before that Elephant Man and you know it was the Elephant Man and who them time there. Who they them play before card? Yeah, I try to remember. But yeah, but the Elephant Man and who was there the place before card and it. Yeah, that fuck. Yeah. Maybe now bring up the music or anything. But anyway. Yeah man dog. Before dancehall music got changed again. You see me I say I'm there for the wave man and people glad for the experience, you see me? See that time music got changed so many times, like bro. From the 90s to the 2000s. You see me, I know it had changed from the 2000s from the 2010s to the 2020. You know what I'm saying? So yeah man, real dope change and they are fit. Dancehall music can go up again. You see me I say one time dancehall music. When Carter just got jail and dancehall music, he just like standing with a popcorn alone now tell me about new artists are found. You see me, you have not only that, you have dancehall from the rest of the Caribbean island like Trinidad and Barbados and oh my god, dancehall music. Yeah, man, we are grow. We are bigger genres. Yeah, that's I'm not take over the world, man. But anyway, we dope track from Rytikal. You see me, there's another up and coming talent to Jamaica that shows so many talents that, you know, that still to come. And there's, you know, great talents in the Caribbean. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm glad for react to this. Let me know what you guys think. Guys, once again, it's about Jambisco here tonight. Hit on a special bang. I love you guys. Stay safe. Till next time. Yeah, you know. Run the track!